Hello everyone, welcome. I am Anna, and I am your teacher for today. It's so wonderful to have you join me on this exciting journey. We're going to have a lot of fun together. This is level 1, where we start with the very basics, the building blocks of communication. We'll be focusing on something we use all the time, the present simple. It might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's super easy. You already use it more than you think. So, what is the present simple? Well, we use this for things we do every day. It's for our habits and our routines. And for facts that are always true. For example, I drink coffee in the morning. That's a habit. Or he eats bread for breakfast. That's something he does regularly. See? It describes our daily lives. We also use it for simple facts, like the sun rises in the east. It's a simple and powerful tool. Once you master it, you'll feel so much more confident speaking English. And to help us practice, today you get to meet my family. I am so excited to introduce them to you. We live in this house right behind me. It's where we all come together and share our stories and create wonderful memories. Every family has its own unique daily routine, its own special habits. And you're about to get a sneak peek into ours. You'll see how we use the present simple all day long, without even thinking about it. Are you ready to meet everyone and see how we spend our day? It's going to be a fantastic adventure. Let's get started and dive right into the daily life of my happy family. Come on, follow me. Hello everyone. Welcome to level 1. I am Anna. I am your teacher. It's so great to meet you. Today, we're going to learn about the present simple tense. It might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, it's actually super easy and very useful. So, when do we use the present simple? We use this for things we do every day. These are our habits, our routines, and facts that are always true. For example, I drink coffee every morning. He eats bread for breakfast. See? We're describing simple, regular actions. You probably use it all the time without even realizing it. Think about your day. What do you do every morning? Maybe you brush your teeth. Or you watch cartoons. Those are perfect examples of the present simple. Now, for the fun part. Today, you meet my family. I want to introduce you to the most important people in my life. We live in this house right behind me. It's where we eat, laugh, and spend all our time together. Each member of my family has their own special daily routines, and I can't wait for you to see them. You'll get to see exactly how we use the present simple to talk about our everyday lives. Are you ready? Let's start. I hope you're as excited as I am. Let's go meet everyone. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to follow along for more lessons.